welcome back to our YouTube channel. Having a trellis in your garden is like creating a vertical canvas of color above any horizontal foliage and blooms. It's a way to maximize the gardening space you already have. By going upward with trellises and arbors, you don't need to put in additional plots or garden boxes to add beauty to your garden or plot. Some of the most beautiful plants are those that climb. Morning glories, climbing roses, and sweet pea flowers all require something to grab onto if they are to flourish. Cucumber plants, pole beans, and tomato plants also need a support structure. You can maximize your garden space by adopting one or more of the most fabulous garden trellis ideas which I have shared in this video only for you. A raised garden bed is the perfect base for a garden trellis. Even a small container garden can benefit from a small trellis structure. Plant something that can trail and climb, such as English ivy, or add a deep purple morning glory to climb up from a pot of red geraniums. A great way to repurpose a set of old wood or metal backless bar stools is to use them as garden trellises. Just place them in the middle of any raised garden beds that include climbing plants. Vines will ascend the tall legs, and you can add pizzazz by placing a small sculpture or gazing wall atop each stool's seat. You can also bend wire cloth hangers into unique shapes and arrange them as lattices in small potted plants. Trellises are an easy way to embellish a bare section of your home's external walls. You can purchase pre-made trellis panels made from a variety of metals or materials to mount on your walls. If you are handy, it is easy to make garden wall trellises out of disassembled wood pallets. If you already have well-established climbing plants, you can hang your wall trellis higher than ground level. As long as your climbers can attach to the lowest rail, they will take hold and soon fill the entire structure. These work great in a greenhouse too. A wire trellis is one of the most primitive garden trellis ideas. One of the easiest DIY garden trellis types to make. All it requires is standing wooden posts in the garden and running wire between them. A wire mesh trellis is another inexpensive type of DIY trellis that is quite doable by even the most novice gardeners. It is among the least attractive garden trellis ideas when bare. When covered with beautiful climbing plant varieties, however, it can be a sight to behold. For a creative take on a wire mesh trellis, fill an empty window frame with chicken wire and hang it over climbing flowers or fruit vines. So the best material for your trellis design is affordable and sturdy. Bamboo is an excellent material for a tabby or obelisk trellis design. as it looks natural and is durable. Use vinyl planks if you want something that looks like wood but lasts longer. If you prefer a metal trellis, look for trellises made from aluminium or another rust-proof material. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon on. Never forget to mention in comments which new design ideas you want to watch on our channel. See you in some other video. Till then, take care.